This video teaches you how to restore unsaved or damaged Word documents, as well as how to go back to previous revisions. Recover unsaved documents. Open your document in Microsoft Word. Click the File menu. Click Info. Click the Manage Document icon. Click Recover Unsaved Documents on the menu. This opens the Unsaved Files folder, in which you'll see a list of recently backed up files that were automatically saved by Word, but have not yet been officially saved by you. Select the document and click Open. This opens the document in Word. Save your recovered document. Recover damaged documents. Click Open. Click Browse. Navigate to the location of the damaged file. Click the file once to select it. Click the down arrow next to Open. A menu will expand. Click Open and Repair. If the file is repairable, Word will repair it now. If the document isn't repairable, you can usually extract the text without the formatting and images. Restore previous revisions. Open your document in Microsoft Word. Click the File menu. Click Info. Click Version History. This lets you see different saved revisions of the document organized by date. Click the version you want. Click Restore to switch back to the selected version. This will undo any changes you've made since the revision you selected. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.